The Texas Division of Emergency Management has issued an Amber Alert. The Cedar Hill Police Department is searching for Summer Brown. Black, female, 12 years old, July 24, 2000. 5 foot 6 inches, 90 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing a black tank top and black basketball shorts. Police are looking for Lisa Elizabeth Brown, black, female, 43 years old, August 17, 1969, 5 feet 8 inches, 120 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a black blazer and a light green shirt. The suspect is driving a gray 2006 Ford Expedition with a Texas temporary license plate number of 86P33557. The suspect was last heard from in Cedar Hill, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child is to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Cedar Hill Police Department at 972-230-5785. News media point of contact is Cedar Hill Police Department at 972-230-5785.